G'day! In today's video I'm opening up an Anbernic RG35XX H. This one's brand new and the joystick on it is faulty. Might help if I power this down. Brand new out of the box and the downwards joystick is faulty. Didn't help that the game that they used to test it back was a top-down plane shooting game where you're infinitely scrolling forward or up the screen, which doesn't exactly help when you're currently trying to go down the screen, not up the screen. So let's take these out and see what we can do. I'm hoping I can purely or simply disconnect the thumbsticks. Let's see. And how easy this back will come off here, or if there's hidden screws under there. Oh, there we go. And we're in. Oh, look at that. My speculation of using the Switch Joy-Cons was spot on. If I disconnect the battery, disconnect this speaker here, I can already see them, which makes me very happy for the fact that I'm going to be able to replace it. At least I'm pretty confident I should be able to. Undo the screw here. What other screws have we got going on here? It feels like the downwards facing speaker right here. There we go. And this here, I'm almost certain, is the same one that gets used in the Switch. There we go. I've got a bag of these floating around. And as I said about bag, I mean a bag. There we go. Let's compare the pair. That way. Now, I'm definitely stoked that it is actually a replaceable and repairable part. I don't know if we're going to need to calibrate it, but right now I'm pretty darn stoked. Pull that down. I believe that's inserted. Fold it down. Push this over the top. We'll have to remove one screw. Just misplaced the other screw just then in my excitement. And we also have a Taptic engine here that looks like it's from just a standard Samsung phone. Now, where did that screw go in my excitement? That's still here in the other one. Now, we'll just take that off again. Okay. Yep, I'm losing a button. There we go, back here. We have a 330 milliamp battery. I'm just going to plug that back in and just quickly turn this back on. And I want to see if we're good. go. As you look at that, it looks identical. Brilliant. Hit power. Now I very well may have not inserted that cable far enough. We should find out pretty darn quickly. Where? If that does work, that means the repairability of these is actually almost acceptable. I don't know if they're common screens that are used, but I'm more than happy for the common parts that fail, like the joysticks, to be replaced simply like that. Live across. So it's functioning. As I say that. Let's get into a game. No, actually, we will face down. I replaced this side. I can tell because this one here has this matte material on it, anti-dust I'm assuming, well the one I put on over here doesn't. We go into a game. Right now it's not intruding. Actually, no, I would have spun it around. That was the side that I replaced. We are now good. We go back, go to history. Altered Beast. In Altered Beast, he was automatically sitting down when the game started. Let's see how we go now. He is moving. Excellent. I very well may have replaced the other side, but overall, that has fixed the issue that I've had with the joystick. Excellent. I'm happy with that. Righto guys, I'm going to test this out some more. But it turns out the RG35XX uses switch thumbsticks. Awesome.